Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's try to understand HTML description list. HTML element DL is used to define a description list with each element defined using two other tags. The DT is to define each term of a list and DD is to define the description of each term of a list. And this is the example for a description list where we have this DL tag for the beginning tag, and this is the ending tag for the list, and each item is defined using two tags. So DT is to define the term and DD is to define the description of a term. And this is how we have to define, and by default each item of the list must start with the DT and then followed by its description. So this description is for this term, and this description is for this term. So we should start with DT, the term, and then the description and the next one, and then so on. So this is how we have to define a description list. We always have to go with the description list when we want to group a list of items that contains the terms and their descriptions. And if you want to group them together, then this is the right one to choose from the HTML elements that we have. And here is an example where we have included this description list. And let's open this example in a browser and see how it looks. This is the source code of the example that we have on the article, and this is the description list that is defined here. Let me open this in the browser now. And when we open that example in the browser, this is how the description list will look like, where we have the term and its description, the second term and its description, and so on. So this is all about the HTML description list. And if you want to know about the other types of lists, we have an article on all the different types of HTML lists that we have. And we also have articles for different list types. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.